Hello, today I will read The Monkey Bridge. The Monkey Bridge, story by Joy Cowley, illustrations by Susan Matsley. Make me a bridge, roared the lion. Number 1 monkey went over the river. Number 2 monkey went over the river. Number 3 monkey went over. Number 4 and number 5 went over. 5 monkeys over the river. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the bridge, the monkey said to the lion. The lion went over the bridge. Achoo! And the lion went into the river. The end. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button.